I'm Andy Gersbacher. This is Groundhog Garage. We're back here in my garage here in Dayton, Ohio. And the city of Lebanon is building a new firehouse, and they asked me to build their dining room table for the new firehouse out of the lumber that they salvaged from, I think it was an old farmhouse that was on the same property there by the fairgrounds. So I'm going to take these old oak beams and this pine, I think it's pine flooring. I'm not really sure. It could have been a subfloor. It's a tongue and groove. A lot of it's kind of beat up, and the old finish that was on it was just not really salvageable, and whether or not a new epoxy could bond to it, I didn't want to take that chance. So I'm going to go ahead and finish planing the rest of these down, squaring up the sides, and get everything ready to go. It's going to be about a 4 foot by 12 foot table. I'm going to do a steel frame to it that looks real industrial, and I think I'm going to maybe use a chemical to kind of blue it and blacken the steel. Let's see how it goes.
I don't cross my T's, I don't dot my I's, I won't say pretty please, or speak in little white lies.
with these oak beams I got. I was initially thinking I'd leave this like rough sawn look, but once I planed one of them down, kind of got to see the grain, I was like, they could look a lot better keeping that exposed and a lot cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two of these, and whichever two match up the best as far as gluing them together, I'm going to make one beam out of them and kind of put that underneath the table connecting the two sides. So we'll see how that looks. Buckeye Fabricating in Springboro, Ohio donated this cutout they made for the center of this table. This is going to be, the boards are going to butt up to this perimeter here, and then epoxy will fill in everything else, and then I'm going to stain this poplar face plywood in the background the same color as the wood on the table. Probably going to grind on this stuff a little bit, clean it up a little bit with the plasma cutter. There's just a little bit of like slag on the back and everything, which you don't see it, but I want it to sit nice and flush. I'm probably gonna fasten this stuff down to the wood after it's stained. On the outside perimeter of the table, I want to cover up all like the end grain and stuff of the plywood and just kind of cap everything off. When I was at Home Depot, I saw this ranch style casing. I figured if I put it upside down like this and on its side, it'd give the table a pretty cool look as far as like the where it like it looks like it tapers down in and everything. And as you can see, it kind of has that profile. my bandsaw is taking a long time to cut through this stuff, and I like it for accuracy and everything, but I feel like I'm getting plenty of accuracy just using these metal cutting circular saws, so I'm just going to stick with these for now. There's Ivy. Will you give me a hug? Oh, thank you. Thank you. No kisses. No kisses. Oh, there's Gracie. Hey, what do you got? What do you got? Hey, what do you got? What do you got? No. Get back, Ivy. What do you got? What do you got? No. 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 Hey, no. What is that? What is that? This is disgusting.
So I'm going to use Jack's iron, steel, and nickel blackener, and that's what I'm going to use to achieve the kind of patina that I want on the steel.